Welcome to Oven Foods. Today let's make a traditional sweet treat, Atta Laddu. It's wholesome, simple and packed with flavor. The version uses no artificial colors or preservatives. Let's get started. Start by roasting 2 tablespoons of watermelon seeds. Just 30 seconds on low heat. Watermelon seeds add crunch and nutrition. Laddus have been a part of Indian sweets for over 2000 years. Set them aside. Now take 1/4 cup ghee. Add half cup suji. Atta laddus are traditionally made during winter to keep the body warm. Roast on low heat for about 5 minutes. Add 1 cup atta and keep stirring. Always roast suji and atta on low heat to avoid burning. Stir continuously to get an even roast and nutty aroma. Add 1/4 cup more ghee and continue roasting. Roast for 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture separates from the ghee. The aroma will tell you it's ready. Now add 1/4 cup milk and mix everything well. Atta is high in fiber and supports digestion. Ghee is a natural fat that aids nutrient absorption. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Suji gives a good dose of energy. Watermelon seeds add healthy fats and minerals. Add half cup powdered sugar and the roasted watermelon seeds. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture cool slightly before adding sugar to avoid melting it. Now shape into laddus while the mixture is still warm. Shape the laddus while warm, they will be hold better. Soft, rich and delicious, Atta laddus are ready. These Atta laddus are perfect for snack time, festivals or just a warm treat anytime. Simple ingredients, amazing taste. Thanks for watching to Oven Foods. Try it today and feel the goodness in every bite. Have a favorite laddu memory from childhood? We would love to hear. Like, share and follow for more easy homemade recipes.